Hi everyone, today I will show how to quickly create text with reflection effect. Add media file to the timeline, go to Fusion. Use the transform node to adjust the size. Add text node, connect it through merge. Enter text, choose font and size. Copy text node and connect it sequentiality. Go to merge. Use the flip parameter to reflect the text horizontally. Use the center parameter to align the text so that it creates a mirror reflection. Add transform node. Increase the text using the aspect parameter. Go to the text and in the layout tab in rotation section, rotate the text. Adjust size and position if needed. In the shading tab, reduce the opacity value. Add rectangle mask. Enable the invert parameter. Set the size and position of the mask so that it starts to hide the lower edge of the text. Use border width and soft edge parameter to create a smooth fade. To learn even more about capabilities of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.